Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome our December new products video. First new products for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. It's this premium car cover. This is from Carpenter Industries. This is licensed by Ford. On the front it has the Ford name right on the front with the grill insignia. On the side it has the Bronco script with the bucking Bronco. And on the rear it has the insignia of the tire cover. Took it out of the bag, really nice. Comes with this nice storage bag here. Took me about 2 minutes to put it on. This Bronco here has stock factory mirrors, a stock tire rack, and a stock antenna. All I did with the antenna, I just pushed it down, popped it right on, fits beautifully. Brand new for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco, would make a great Christmas gift. And our next new product are these sequential taillights. These are for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. Brand new, really nice circuit board. What's nice about these are like the 70 Cougar. They go right on down where the Cougar went across. These go on down, come in a pair. All you have to do is take the taillight out, 2 screws, pop the taillight out, pop the bulb out, pop it in place, put it in the lens, screw it back together, it's ready to go. Sold in pairs. These are not recommended if you're towing a trailer with your Bronco. Brand new for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. And our next new products for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco are these beautiful billet aluminum taillight bezels. These are CNC machined, high quality aluminum, come in pairs, come with a gasket you put between the lens and the bezel, and it gives you new mounting hardware. Sold in pairs, come in this beautiful clear anodized, or this really cool black anodized for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. And our next new product are these beautiful halogen headlights. These are a crystal headlight with a halogen bulb, 34 auxiliary LED lights on there. They come in either amber or you can get them in white. These are sold individually. These fit the 66 to 78 Ford Bronco and all F-Series pickups with a 7-inch round headlight. And for our December web truck of the month, we're doing the Bronco Prototype R race truck, recently revealed before the SEMA show in the desert outside Las Vegas. I think it's pretty cool looking. I can't wait till the real Bronco comes out. Remember, we're running our Christmas sale, 10% off through Christmas. Hope you take advantage of it. Thank you for your support and hope to see you again next year.
Please welcome the Bronco R race prototype.
Ford Performance has had a really long and very successful legacy in off-road desert racing. Later on, we used the Baja 1000 to actually pivot the Ford Performance positioning and get into off-road racing with our Raptor R race truck. And then more recently, we actually had a secret mission where we tested the all-new F-150 with the military-grade aluminum body, along with our EcoBoost engine ahead of our launch of that very successful best-selling truck in 2015. Well, today we're back at it again. We'll be racing this Bronco truck, and you can see beyond the resemblance to this legacy product and hinting at the new styling of the new truck, it is underpinned by the same T6 frame and architecture as the production truck. So we'll be using this to test not only the frame and the chassis, but also the powertrain and driveline system. So this is all part of a process for us to really prove out the integrity of the product and the integrity of our engineering ahead of the production launch and really launch it with true off-road credibility.
Hopefully when you look at it, you can see just how much we're drawing on the spirit of the original Bronco and the design of this prototype vehicle here. But as you look at the vehicle, you'll see how strong the central element through this grille area is. Instead of saying Ford, we're saying Bronco. And actually we pick out the R in red to signify that this is the race truck. This is all about capability. All the features we've added are all about performance.